welcome to another episode. Today is part 4 of our Cera the Bearded Dragon. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share the video. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff on there to help support me. And now let's get into today's video. So on today's video, we're going to continue working on smaller and smaller details. We are going to be using the same palette that we've been using for the past 3 videos, which is our yellow ochre, Mars black, titanium white, raw umber, burnt sienna, and this time we're going to throw a little bit more cadmium yellow and cadmium red in there, and we're going to really start defining some of these scales a little bit more. And also later on in the video, I will finally get to this mouth, so that way we don't have this underpainting staring at us, and we'll get it all set up for us to get some detail in that as well. So starting to work on this mouth, the palette now, we are going to mix up some very light purple, almost like a lilac or a lavender sort of color. And this will be the main foundation to a lot of it. And we will go through and add a little bit more red and lighten it up here and there to do the teeth and do some of the areas in the mouth. And then we'll also mix in a little bit of a darker, richer black and red, and that will give us our shaded areas. I like how this mouth is turning out. We start working on some of the teeth and get some of the reflections and shines on it, and it starts looking really neat. do it for this episode. And if you've been following along, then you should have ended up with something relatively close to this. We got a lot of work done today. We added detail all over the place, and I really like the way this painting is shaping up so far. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share this video, take a visit to my website, and I will see you in the next episode.